Would you rather have more pizza or more juice? What if different combinations make you equally happy? That's exactly what an indifference curve explains. An indifference curve shows different combinations of two goods that provide the consumer with the same level of satisfaction. The consumer is equally satisfied with either basket. That's why it's called indifference. There's no preference between them. To enjoy more pizza while remaining equally satisfied, the consumer must sacrifice some juice. That's why the indifference curve slopes downward.
This trade-off is called the marginal rate of substitution. It tells us how much of one good the consumer is willing to give up for another while staying equally satisfied. As consumers get more pizza, they're willing to sacrifice less and less juice for another slice. That's why the curve is convex.
A higher indifference curve represents a higher level of satisfaction because it contains combinations with more goods. For exams, remember these 4 key points: same satisfaction, downward slope, convex shape, and higher curves represent higher satisfaction.
Consumers have limited income. When we combine the budget line with the indifference curve, we reached consumer equilibrium. If this made indifference curves easy, subscribe to Educatii. In the next lesson, we'll combine the budget line and indifference curve to understand consumer equilibrium.